Hello everyone, thanks for watching. My name is Josh with Solloway Restoration. Today we're going to be talking about the 3 most common property disasters that happen during the holidays and hopefully some tips on how you can prevent them. Number 1, we see it all the time, it should be no surprise, is cooking fires. Here I am in a kitchen. As many of you will be during the holidays, that's the place where most people gather, and it's easy to get distracted. You got too many things going on and a fire starts and you got a problem. So make sure you're being safe in the kitchen, have the proper fire extinguisher on hand, and you should be able to deal with that with no problem. Number 2 is sewer backups. Not typically a pleasant thing to talk about, but just think about the activity that's going on at your house. You have a lot more people, so the facilities are being used a lot more than normal. In addition, there might be grease and some things going down the drain that shouldn't be going down, but it happens. So be careful of sewer backups. Make sure to get your septic tank pumped if you haven't done that in a while, and you should be all set with that issue. The third issue is water damage that just happens typically from an appliance, and it usually happens while people are traveling. So if you're going to be out of your house for an extended period of time during the holidays, I highly recommend you have a trusted friend or neighbor check on it, check the basement on a regular basis so that there's no damage going on. So these are the top 3 things that we see during the holidays for property damage, and hopefully you can avoid them. But if you do need help, give us a call. Thank you for watching.